Brand new Ford Bronco. These are the AMP Research Power Steps. Look how low this step goes. It gives you the widest step surface. It gives you the lowest step surface. If you put some weight on it and close the door, it stays down. So you can clean the top of your Bronco. When you want to go back up, just reset the door, it hides away. People like the look of it. It gives you some protection like a rock slider. They have a clean look. You can spend all day just opening and closing it. You have LED lights at nighttime. This is gonna help everybody out because it goes double the distance. Each door activates the power steps, so any door will activate it. 5-year warranty on them. It covers everything. Now you can get inside. Everyone loves a new Ford Bronco. You're gonna love it even more when you put electric steps on it. It gives you a very clean entry, gives you a safe exit. Best in class warranty. Ford Bronco Power Steps, Truck Access Plus, Phoenix, Arizona. Shop with us today.